Today we're making lemon Parmesan Orzo. This is a great side dish, but I'll share some tips on how to turn it into the main dish. This recipe features fresh lemon and fresh basil for flavors that pop. First, melt a tablespoon of butter in a medium saucepan on medium-high heat. Stir in a cup of orzo, coating it with the butter, and stir occasionally for about 5 minutes or until the orzo browns slightly. Stir in 1 cup of chicken broth and bring it to a boil. Once it boils, you can reduce the heat to low, cover it, and simmer for 10 minutes. Remove the saucepan from the heat and add a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped basil, 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon zest, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Stir all of that together until the cheese melts. At this point, you can give it a taste test, see if you want to add any additional salt or pepper. You can stop here, or you can turn it into your main dish by doubling the portion, adding some greens like wilted spinach or wilted kale, and then a protein. This would be great with shrimp, grilled chicken, or lamb. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time.